Finally saying goodbye to my Icon Shocks. Well, after over 2 years, finally saying goodbye to the Icon Shocks. They've been nothing but trouble. When they work great, but when they don't work, they suck. So they're going in the trash right there. For those who have missed the issues I've had with these shocks previously, I'll put links to the videos I've made and all the issues I've had over the past few years. Sad day, but unfortunately they've been nothing but trouble. When they worked well. But unfortunately the service, you had to have them serviced, and that's a pain in the butt. They just don't last. Like I said, those are going in the trash. Don't want to be dramatic, but I've just had way too many issues with these shocks. So, gonna replace them. At least the rear. The front I'm gonna leave on there until they start leaking again, and then I'll get rid of those. And this is what I've decided to replace them with. And that is a beefy 2.5 shock. Yes, it does not have a remote reservoir, but that's just another area that can leak. So I wanted to get away from those remote reservoirs, and I think this will work well. If you look under here, you can see all the oil from my last excursion out where that shock failed. Hasn't been fun, but I'm very optimistic with these Ironman foam cells. So we'll see how they go. Supposedly they're designed for military use. I think they guarantee them for 4 years, no maintenance needed. And that's what I need. Because the other issue is, not just when they go out, is finding a place to repair the Icons. I don't live in Riverside, California anymore, where Icon is, and it's much harder to get those shocks serviced. All right, I got the shocks on there. My new Ironman shocks. I don't know if you can see in there. Much cleaner. I had to take off the Road Active suspension spring, which means I know I'm going to lose some height when I drop it down. Let's see how much height I lose. But I'm liking how clean it is, and those shocks are, even though there's no remote reservoir, they're certainly beefy, and hopefully that means no issues. All done. Got my new Ironman shocks on there. Can't quite see them. There's the boxes. And the Icons and my Road Actives are going in the trash. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned because we got a lot more adventures coming. And hopefully without any more shock failures.